Okay, we've got a Massey Ferguson 285 tractor, Perkins diesel engine with a great bend front end loader. Tractor has a hay spear. I don't have a bucket for it, but it's a pin-on type. You could find a bucket if you need one. Tractor runs really good. It's got the high and low range transmission. It's got the remotes on the back. The tractor's been sitting and it starts up with no issues. No smoke, no weird noises. Loader operates smooth. PTO works. And we believe the tires do have fluid in them. So if you need a tractor for feeding cattle, mowing pastures, or just general work around the farm, this is going to be the tractor for you. It's going to have plenty of power, plenty of weight and capability. You can actually still work on this tractor yourself and not have to rely on anything electronic going out on it. Call Brown Equipment in Loretto, Tennessee if you're interested in taking a look at it. Thanks for watching.